What if you could innovate faster, collaborate better, and connect all of your data in one place? With Dassault Systèmes' 3DEXPERIENCE platform on the cloud, you can. And 3DEXPERIENCE Social Collaboration Services is your gateway to this unique online business platform. It allows you, for the first time, to upload your SOLIDWORKS data onto the cloud and digitally connect all stakeholders. The business intelligence, collaboration, and marketplace functionalities of the 3DEXPERIENCE platform allow you to manage your product development, empower innovation, and make your business thrive. And you can do this anytime, anywhere, and from any device. 3DEXPERIENCE Social Collaboration Services helps you save time and money and innovate faster in 3 key ways. Business innovation on the cloud. Store, share, and collaborate online with internal and external teams, including employees, clients, vendors, and suppliers. Facilitate innovation and collaboration within your company. Track business insights and build dashboards for any type of data or information. Communities. Get answers. Learn more and connect with the global design and engineering community. 3DEXPERIENCE Marketplace. Access a vast and qualified network of industrial service providers. All of this is included with a SOLIDWORKS subscription. It just takes one click to get started. 3DEXPERIENCE Social Collaboration Services, enabling SOLIDWORKS users to leverage the power of the 3DEXPERIENCE platform.